How to blur background in Picsart. Want that clean, professional look with a blurred background? Here's how to do it in Picsart. Start by uploading your image into the editor. Go to the left toolbar and click Effects. Then choose the blur category. Select background blur. The AI will detect your subject and automatically blur the rest. If the selection needs tweaking, use the erase or restore brush to refine the edges manually. Adjust the blur strength with the slider, then click apply to save the look. Tried background blur before? Tell us how you use it creatively in the comments below. Zoom in while refining edges to get a smooth and natural blur around your subject. And that's how you can blur background in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.